Hello everyone, today we are learning application security with Tfsec. During the development phase, we will overview implementing various security tools to the pipeline using GitHub Actions. Let's dive into the details of the various security tools. Secrets detection. Detect secrets in your code continuously by enabling GitHub Secrets Detection. Implement PR-based secret detection checks with Detection Secret with ReviewDog. Static Application Security Testing SAST. Find vulnerabilities in your code. Developed by GitHub, CodeQL is remarkable for its seamless integration into the developer workflow, making security scanning a more efficient and effective process. CodeQL employs advanced techniques such as syntactic pattern matching, abstract syntax tree analysis, and control flow graph analysis to provide accurate and reliable results. Software composition analysis, SCA, implemented PR-based check with dependency review to prevent introducing new, highly risky vulnerable components. Automated dependency updates. Find vulnerabilities in your dependencies. Configure Dependabot for alerts, security updates, and components updates to the latest versions to make sure that your components are secure. Container security. Find vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in your containers. Integrate Trivy into the workflow to protect your containers. Trivy performs comprehensive scanning of container images, uncovering vulnerabilities in OS packages and application dependencies for various programming languages. Infrastructure as code, ISC, security. Find vulnerabilities in your infrastructure as code. Integrate Tfsec to the workflow to protect your infrastructure as code. Tfsec scans your Terraform templates to identify any potential security issues. Dynamic Application Security Testing, DAST. Find vulnerabilities in your running applications. Integrate OWASP Zap Baseline to the workflow to scan your dev, stage, or feature environments to perform quick basic security checks for common vulnerabilities. Secrets detection. After implementing the Detect Secrets with ReviewDog as shown in the configuration file, we make a test PR with AWS Access Key Pattern. As a result, the secret is successfully detected. Note that we will use a hash instead of version for pinning as a part of GitHub Actions hardening in this and further configurations. Static Application Security Testing, SAST. In this example, we are configuring CodeQL. It scans your source code for potential security vulnerabilities, logical flaws, and violations of coding standards. It does this by parsing your code into a database and querying it with powerful logic-based queries. You will need to specify one or more supported programming languages. In this example, it is set up for JavaScript. In general, CodeQL supported C/C, C#, Go, Java, Kotlin, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Swift, TypeScript programming languages. For compiled languages, you may need to specify custom build steps where auto-build failed. Now you can see two results. The first one when the checks were executed successfully and no issues were detected. The second result when the checks were executed successfully but it is failed due to security issues detected. Software composition analysis, SCA. This is an example of the configuration file for dependency review. In case of detection, the dependency with security issue of severity high or critical, it will fail. Now you see how the check is shown in both cases. In case of fail, the components with security issues of severity high were detected. Automated dependency updates. To enable automated dependency updates with GitHub Dependabot, we created a new PR with the dependabot.yml configuration file in the .github directory. When you add or update the dependabot.yml file, this triggers an immediate check for version updates. The provided example is for enable updates for Gradle dependencies. As a result, a PR with updates start appear. Container security. In this example, we are configuring Trivy. It inspects your container images for known vulnerabilities, using comprehensive and up-to-date databases. It does this by scanning your container images, identifying installed packages, and matching them against a vast collection of publicly disclosed vulnerabilities. The check will fail in case of detecting critical or high-severity issue. Now you see how the check is shown in both cases. In case of fail, security issues of severity critical or high were detected. Container security. In this example, we configuring Tfsec. It checks your Terraform code for potential security issues, configuration mistakes, and compliance violations. It does this by parsing your Terraform files and checking them against a set of predefined rules. Now you see how the check is shown in both cases. In case of fail, security issues were detected. Dynamic application security testing. In this example, we are configuring the OWASP Zap Baseline. It can check your web app on the dev stage or feature environment. Zap Baseline has limited time crawl, which makes it suitable for the pipeline. Zap Baseline aimed at discovering of common security vulnerabilities. Now you see how the successful check and report looks like. Now let's address some frequently asked questions. Which tools are best to start with? The best place to start is with the implementation of the SAST tool, for example CodeQL and container security tool, Trivy. These two tools can significantly affect the security of the product. Why are so many solutions necessary? This approach is committed to defense in-depth principes. This involves implementing different security solutions on various layers. What distinguishes Dependabot from dependency review? Dependabot provides alerts and updates for vulnerable dependencies, while dependency review prevents introducing new high-risky dependency on the PR. Why OWASP Zap Baseline is used instead of full scan? OWASP Zap Baseline have limited crawl that makes it suitable for pipeline. Crawl in the full scan may take quite a long time depending on the configuration. I hope this video gives you a basic understanding of shifting security left approach and various security tools that can be implemented in the development stage. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.